This is the S-Plus Bivvy. I'm just going to run you through how to erect it. So you first of all take it out the bag, you lay it out flat, then you actually fold these out like so. These actually connect into place. Then you get the tension strap, and this is connected to the loop here. This forms the shape of the bivvy. Put the one on there, and the other one goes onto there. And you just extend these pole so it's tensioned up, the bivvy. And you push that forward, then connect the one at the back, and this fits into the eyelet. Just extend that so it's taut. Now the bivvy's ready to peg. So I do the outside two here first, sort of square. Then I do the two round the front. Make sure the zip's closed on the door before you peg it out. And tension that out like so. Now you can carry on doing the rest of the pegging points. Now it's ready for the ground sheet. Just work your way around. So just Velcro in the last bits on the door so everything's in place. The door has a clear PVC panel zipped into it. This can be either open or closed, and that's a S-Plus Bivvy.